I have totally 13 years experience of service center repairing method, and in this video I can show you how can you remove your mobile screen password like pin lock, pattern lock, password lock, fingerprint sensor and face lock only just 2 minutes without any using computer, without any using software and without any data loss. Yes my friends, your photos, videos, document, application will as it is available on your smartphone. There is no any type of data loss. So let's start this video. I can show you how to remove your smartphone's password. But before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone battery should not less than charge 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your phone. So let's start this video. You have to put your smartphone in airplane mode. Airplane mode already has been activated in this smartphone. You can activate this. After this, you have to remove your memory card and your SIM card from your phone. When you completed this process, you have to go to the emergency call here, from here, and open dialer pad here. Okay, sorry, emergency call and open dialer pad here. After that, you have to enter a code here which belongs to close all your background running application. And for this, the code is, this is the code hash star, and you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. So you have to ignore this to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 3 times. Okay. After that, you have to remove your code from your mobile screen. After that, you have to open a page here which name is engineer mode page, and for this you have to enter a code, and the code is star hash 899 and hash. After that, you can see that this is the page of engineer mode. You have to open a manual test option on number 4. After this, you have to go to the last page which belongs to otherwise swiping it from the sidebar, and after that you have to click the 7 time on mainboard version on number 4 option. So I am going to complete it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you have to open read write important log test on number 2 for 3 times. When you click the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click the cancel button here. After that, again repeat the same process, but in the 3rd time you have to click the OK button, and you can see that your wrong password is going to resetting mode. After that, you have to take last step here, and the last step is on number 3rd. This is key status option. When you click it, your mobile is completely unlocked from pin pattern password lock. As you see here, every key is passed, means your mobile is completely unlocked. For verification purpose, you have to click on home button here, and you can see that your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos, data and application lost of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all your smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to your comment in just only 3 to 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.